Hello, it's Matthew's Buses and Trains 997, and today you join me in Purley Station. And as you can see here, look at this, the magnificent WVL38 LF52 ZRX. What a beauty, don't you think?
It is quite beautiful. It's a lovely looking bus. We've been trying to find it all day.
Yeah, and there's a Optare Metro. A Metro Scarer.
Haha, good one.
Operated by Transport UK, aka Triangle.
Triangle Coaches.
Shape, as you may not know. And today we'll be going on replacement buses between Purley Station and
East Grinstead.
Yes, that's it. That's the drill.
And it stops at Upper Wallenham and Oxted, and then obviously East Grinstead.
Limited stops.
Limited stop.
So joined, we've got Matthew's Buses Trains 997 and UK Transit Official.
Yes.
Please make sure to subscribe to him as well.
Thank you
And
very much.
the cameraman name of me today is Bus and Train by 5677, or obviously they call me as Sam Street.
So yeah, we'll look forward to seeing you on the WVL.
Very good.
Wow, what a beautiful bus. LF52 ZRX. Ex-York Foreman as well, so it's come all the way from Yorkshire. Yeah. Wow, doesn't it sound great?
It does.
Nostalgia for everyone. I'm done sweating buckets. So who's going to the Lowish Floor Festival this year? Lowish.
Where is it?
East Grinstead.
There's no fields.
Yeah, you have to go by train. Which bus? 400? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. Oh, there's a broken down bus. I think it's a DW. Oh no, it's a Gemini. Oh, WVN. That's a shame. Is it MMCs they're meant to be getting? Wait, what's that one? BL61 ADV. That's a shame.
Any bus breaking down is a shame.
It is, but not LTs. New Route Masters.
I don't like electric buses.
Yeah, I don't either. Diesels are top of the top.
Yeah. Some of them are better, some of them are better.
Yeah.
The IE trams are ugly, but they're
Hate the IE trams.
I hate the IE trams.
They have a good interior. I just can't stand
I've never been on one, but from what I've seen, I refuse to go on one. I used to have to commute all the time. It was always what are they? It's like Varo 400.
Yeah.
The electric one, the EV.
The EV, second generation. Yeah. So what do you think of this bus then?
I think it's lovely. I really do like it.
Nice.
If only it wasn't for the sun getting in the shocks. But yeah, it's a good bus. I really like it. It makes some really good noises, and I love the engine sounds.
Yeah, it's brilliant. Especially on full speed, like you can hear the...
Yeah.
Brilliant buses. Like, I grew up with these because I was born in 1997, so I grew up with the Platinum Presidents, Vikings, Scania Omnideckers, Scania Omni-Cities, ALX 400s, Cadets. Brilliant buses. Brilliant.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. So I'll see you when I get to Upper Woldingham or Woldingham. That's it. Hello, you join me at East Grinstead. And there's SN12 ABF, Southeast Omnibus.
There's also the Cruisers bus as well.
Yeah. What a brilliant day it's been.
Yeah, definitely. It's been very...
Yeah. Wow. It's got the old Casablanca advertising. Nice. So I'll see you when I'm on the next bus. So now you join me on board SN59 AWJ on Southern Replacement towards Purley. And
Which calls it Oxford is that all one of them.
yeah, so it's a limited stop service as it should be. So enjoy the rest of the journey. So I'll see you when I'm in Purley. So hello, you join me back in Purley. There you can see the buses on standby. So that concludes the video for today. So thank you all for watching and subscribe to UK Transit and Bus and Train Boy.
5677.
Thank you all for watching.
Half is down there.